Hey, I'm Steve Krenz. I want to invite you to a very special Guitar Gathering Academy. Over the next few weeks, I'll be showing you how to play some of the world's most loved hymns. We're going to be doing a deep dive, focusing on one classic hymn a week. We're going to learn the stories behind the music, how to play the melody and the chords, advanced chord substitution, and even some basic and advanced solo guitar arrangements are included for each song. Well, here's how it works. Each week for 4 weeks, you're going to receive a detailed video lesson that's going to be emailed to you, showing you step-by-step how to play the song, the chords, and the solo arrangements. You'll also receive a few play-along tracks to practice with. Everything is written out in a PDF that comes along with the lesson, which includes the music notation, the tab, chord diagrams, even fingering notations. Then you're going to begin working on the song for the week. At the end of the week, we'll get together for a live Zoom session to answer any questions that you may have. Now, there's also a private Facebook group to meet with other guitarists from all over the world that are going through these same songs. This coming session is going to feature 4 incredible hymns: Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus, Blessed Assurance, Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing, and I Surrender All. It's going to be an amazing time. There's something for players of all levels. We're going to finish up just before Easter, and you will have learned 4 complete songs, the solo guitar arrangements, the melody, the chords, and all. Come join us on this amazing learning journey through some of the world's most loved hymns. There's going to be a new challenge every week, learning new music, new skills, and adding to your own repertoire of music. I hope you can join us.